Where are we going, Varush?
To the farm.
And what are we going to do at the farm?
I'm not going to play.
Huh?
I'm not going to play with you.
What animals are we going to see?
Cows, giraffes.
And what if you fall down?
Nah, nothing.
Okay, come on, let's go. Are you the captain today?
Yeah.
What animal are we seeing today?
A rabbit.
Can you-
Three rabbits I see. Two drinking something. And one inside the house.
Where is it? Let me find the rabbit. I see one over there.
Inside the house, one drinking two drinking something.
What are they drinking?
They're drinking something. I think milk.
Milk? Rabbits don't drink milk, I think.
I think rabbits do.
Okay, let's go check them out from inside.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go check it out.
I'm following you.
Okay, okay.
It doesn't smell good.
It's awesome, right?
What are they doing? Can you call them here? What other animals we have, Varush?
We have more rabbits right there.
We have a goat behind you. Where?
Right there.
Where?
Here. Where the greenhouses.
I see him. Right there.
Yeah.
I got him. Where are you climbing?
Yeah.
What's going on? And what happens if you fall inside? The sheep is going to come and eat you. And you got a bumblebee. What is sheep doing? Is it even listening? Huh? Oh, I think maybe they're napping or something.
Oh, he. Hey, he.
Where? What's going on? Why are you hanging up there?
He.
Huh?
Is that what?
Get down. Okay, Varush. What are we going to see today?
Chickens.
Chickens? Let's see some
Pigs.
chickens.
Even pigs too.
Pigs too? Where are?
Pigs.
Oh man, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not looking at us.
Oh, there. Hey, chickens. Chickens. Oh, chickens. Chickens. Yeah. He moved the middle like play with me. Hey, chicken. Chicken. Hey, chicken. Hey, pig. Pig. Oink.
Finally, we found the goats, right? Let's feed them. Hey, don't put it in her nose. But don't take it away. She cannot come out. Oh. Now everybody wants food, Varush.
I got a long one.
Oh, you got a long one. And here we go. Oh, the brown one is cute, right? What is she doing? What sound is she making? We got more pigs. Little ones.
I'm going.
There we go. 3 pigs.
I'm
Are these male or female? I'm thinking. How do we know?
going.
They're not listening, right? I think they are males.
Huh?
They're not listening, right? I think they are male. Oh, the bumblebee. Come on, back. Run to the bumblebee. Will she eat your finger? Hmm?
This is too long. She can't eat this long. Hidden bites.
Oh, they're all going home now. What are you doing? She's not listening?
Yeah.
Oh, now she heard you. She's like you, Varush, not listening. What are you doing? Cluck cluck. Oh.
I got a song with Shark with chicken. Chicken moo. Chicken moo.
Which song?
Chicken moo. Chicken moo.
Oh, it's done eating the corn. Come on, chicken. Come here. Call him.
Hey, chicken. Look, look.
Why? Why is he not listening?
Hey, look.
You come and eat your hand.
Wait, it has a chicken house.
What?
It has a chicken house.
Chicken house?
Yeah,
Okay, let's check that chicken house. Come on.
Chicken house.
Oh, Varush, they're eating corn now.
Chicken has legs and it's trying to take it out.
Oh, it's standing on one feet. And there it goes where it goes. Yeah. Okay, puck puck, cluck cluck, let's go home. Hey, look here, come on, let's go home. Cluck cluck, puck puck.
It's not walking actually.
It's not walking? How do we check it's real or not? How do we check it's real or not?
I think it's alive.
It's alive? But why it's not moving then? Hmm?
I don't even know.
It's giving some milk, I think. Something? Yeah, see?
Water.
Water?